Hey, Mommy.
You want to go?
Jump. Yeah.
Okay.
Make a big splash.
Oh, his pants off. Flat. I know. Come on then, kids.
What did you say? Okay. What's your pumpkin?
That's not ours, that one. Michael, this way. Let's go in the field. Yeah. Do you like that one? Do you like that one? God, you're strong. Aren't you strong? You have got muscles, haven't you? Come on, let's go in this pumpkin field. Come on, muscles. Let's go to the pumpkin field. We'll see all of the pumpkins.
Pumpkin Robin.
Pumpkin Robin. Are you a pumpkin? You silly. Are you silly pumpkin?
Yeah.
Are you a happy pumpkin?
Yeah.
Let's see your happy face then. Happy face. Grumpy face. Scaredy face. Urgh. Should we go?
Yeah.
Go on then. Catch up to Dad. Quick, here's a tractor. Go to Daddy. Come on, Michael. Here comes the tractor. Go to Dad. Go to Daddy. Come on. He's waiting for us.
Stop. Wait.
It's okay, Michael.
Wait.
It's okay.
Wait.
Say bye, tractor. Thank you. Thank you for waiting for me. Nina, you got a pumpkin. You got a pumpkin. Ah. Say pumpkin. Pumpkin. Yeah. Is that your little pumpkin that you've picked? That's the cutest little pumpkin. You want to get more?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Okay. Let me get
Oh, you picked a little cute one as well.
this.
Yeah, let's see your little pumpkin. Come and show me. Let's see. Oh, isn't he cute?
Yeah.
Do you want to take that one home?
Yeah. I can
Put it with Nina Bugs.
I got a watermelon.
See how? Mich. Fine, Swan, let's go and pick our favourite.
What are we cooking?
Yeah, there's one over here for you. There's one over there. Are you having trouble?
Yeah.
Look, you lift it. Look, I'll show you. Lift it up.
Okay.
Hold it.
Okay.
And lift.
Yeah.
Yeah? And lift.
Okay. Lift.
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 You can say lift.
Lift.
What? You like that one? Look at all the grooves in that one.
Yeah, this one's got them as well. all the way to the end. Start from 11.
Wow, Robert! You've got big muscles. You can try. You can try and lift it. Go on, try and pick it up. Oh! You want me to lift it? Why don't we get this little one? You can pick this little one. Yeah? That's better. Perfect. Perfect little pumpkin. Oops. Oops. Big lift. Oh, well done. You got your pumpkin?
Yeah, got him.
Come on then. We go to Daddy.
Mommy.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on then. Oh. And you were sitting in the wheelbarrow with all the pumpkins. And Mummy took one out. So that I could put it down on the floor because we didn't want that one. And as Mummy lifted it out, you tipped up, didn't you? And all the other pumpkins rolled on top of you. But you saved yourself, didn't you? You kept tight hold. You're okay, aren't you? Yeah. Also, what day is it tomorrow? It's Nina's birthday. Nina's first birthday. Tomorrow.
I wanna play.
You want to play?
I wanna play my game.
The little girl, she's picking pumpkins with her mummy, isn't she?
I wanna get a cuddle.
She doesn't want a cuddle, babe. I'm sorry. I'll have a cuddle. Oh. Let's see your little pumpkin. Oh.
Okay.
They're your pumpkin.
Yeah.
Only because you couldn't pick any of the others up. Let's see our pumpkins that we picked. Does she? Hi. Be careful. You're going to go down that slide. Go on then, Bob.
That's so fun.
I thought I heard her crying, she went wahoo! Watch out, Bob! You like come down 10 minutes before the next one. Oh, no. Ready? Are you steady? Hello up there. Mich aan Michaels, kom maar nog. Mich. Hold. Tight hold. Crash. And back again. Oh! You're okay? You could have told me you was jumping off. Michael going down the slide. You're okay? I tried to...
Go, go, go!
Woohoo! Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, he said it's fun. His face that different though.
Come here, come here. Say quack, quack, quack.
Are you a chicken?
Michael is the animal.
Oh, oh, you are so cute. Hello. Oh my god, I've just been snobbed. I just got snobbed by a llama. He's eyeing up this. Is this what you want? Its mouth is so cute. Look at his little lips.
The back one. Robin, where are you going to see them?
Woo! It's just nearly took them out of my hand. Look at it. Why is that so funny?
Bob, you've got to keep...
That's the funniest animal I've ever seen. Look at it. Oh. Robin, feed it out your hands. I know. Oh God, you're so cute. I'm scared of it. I can't do it. You'll have to feed them. Do you want to feed them, Bob?
It's okay, don't be scared.
No, I just can't. Michael, you come here. Come here, son. Look, there's all the little animals in here. Look, it's only small ones.
Look, let's see. There's a rabbit.
These ones aren't scary, look.
Quiet, this is Ruby the rabbit. Give her a
Aww.
little stroke.
Hi, Ruby. Hi, Ruby Rabbit.
Watch out, that is a little bit.
Oh, oh. Hi. Oh my God, I want one.
Fingers.
Do
you want to feed the guinea pig?
Gonna feed them?
You can give that to him.
Here you go. Oh my God, it's so gentle.
She have all the bed.
Oh. You like this dinner?
Oh, cute.
Your arm round like a baby. That's it. Not too tight.
Oh, look at Robin, Michael. Oh, should we take him home? Yeah? You'd pick it, wouldn't you? You'd pick all its fur off. You can't do that though, because that'll hurt him. No. Is he cute? You're cute? Oh, wait, I get him. Okay. Sit down. Hello.
Very good at handling guinea pigs.
Is he cute? His little hands. He wants to hold your hands. Oh, don't pull him. Be very gentle, okay? You don't want to hurt, that's fine.
Come on, then.
Go on then. It's there now, we've gone.
Off in, mate. Should have made your head off. No, you're not home.
He just threw it.
Yeah.
Well done, Michael. Oh, good boy, Michael.
No, you're not.
Look at the goat waiting.
Don't kick it over.
Come on.
Bosh.
She likes the muddy puddle. And you're not even jumping in it.
Look at the baby cow.
Oh, you can join in soon, Papa. You'll be walking in no time, won't you? We're in the maze, aren't we? Oh. Oh no. See this little snuggle bugs? You're going to Bobies on Daddy, aren't you? Yeah, get you nice and cozy. Oh, she's going to be asleep in any second. Come on. She's just a little eye. Yep, she's gone. Which way, kids? It's so tall, isn't it? You want to go that way? Go on then. Good choice. Left. Oh my god! I've just seen. Is it a pheasant? Yeah. And a duck and a goose or whatever that was. I've just seen a pheasant. You know them blue ones? And then one of them ones off the Is it a goose? It's not a goose because goose are white, aren't they, geese? I don't know what it was. I'll see it on the video. Put them on in it. Listen, you can hear them.
That way. This way?
That way. Distracted, it's like I want to hide it and pop out. Tell us to come to you.
Well, come here a sec.
Billy?
Daddy wants you. Look what Dad's found. Go and see what Dad's found. Wait, I'm going to hide. And the kids. Ready? Did they scare you? Silly Bobby.
Is that funny? Which way, Bobby?
Diggy's that way.
Go on then.
What's the top one?
Ah! Michael, you scared me.